G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. This is a recipe you have to try to believe. It is so simple, so delicious, so yummy. So join me today as I make my version of a sweetened condensed milk cake. Okay, so this recipe really only needs 4 simple ingredients. So the first thing we're going to add in is 50 grams of melted butter, 4 eggs, 1 cup of self-raising flour or a cup of plain flour, but just add about half a tablespoon of baking powder. But that's only if you can't find self-raising. And of course, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. So we're just going to open up that sugary goodness and pour it into our mixture. Okay, so now using a hand or stand mixer, we're going to beat this up for about 4 to 5 minutes, just until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Okay, so as you can see, it is now lump-free and nice and creamy. So it's perfect. Okay, so I've just got a loaf pan. Now you can use a cake pan, a round one if you like, but I'm using a rectangle one. I've also got some parchment paper, and I've also given it an extra grease just to be on the safe side. So we're just going to pour our mixture into our pan. So again, you can use a round one or a rectangle one. It's completely up to you. Okay, so once that mix is in, so we're going to place this into a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes. Okay, so our sweetened condensed milk cake is out of the oven. Now I've let it cool down on a wire rack. Now this is completely optional, but I've just got some powdered sugar. So I'm just going to sprinkle some on the top. But you can use any type of topping that you like. And all that's left now is to just cut up a slice. Oh, look how lovely, fluffy that has turned out. Such a simple cake to make, and when it comes to ingredients, it is so easy. It really is one of those no-fail type cakes. So you can serve it with any side of coffee or a drink, have it as a treat, but no matter what you have this cake with, it's going to taste simply delish.